I stayed in Vienna for 24 hours, went to 11 tourist attractions, ate at one restaurant, and this is how much I spent. Hey YouTube viewers, welcome back to my channel. If you've been watching my travel videos, you'll know that I went on a 2-week backpacking trip to Central Europe in 2023. Well, today I wanted to talk about the second last city that I visited, Vienna. If you're planning a trip to Vienna and want to learn more about what to do there, you've come to the right place. Stay tuned and I'll share with you all the details about my trip to Vienna. In this video, I'll be talking about the following things: places I visited, food, accommodation, public transportation, and how much I spent. Before we begin, I would really appreciate it if you could support my channel by giving this video a like, leaving a comment below, and hitting the subscribe button. Without further ado, let's get started. Places I've visited. Museumsquartier Wien. Museumsquartier Wien is one of the largest cultural complexes in the world, offering a vibrant mix of art, history, and contemporary culture. Located in the heart of Vienna, it houses a variety of museums, galleries, and performance spaces, including the Leopold Museum, the Museum of Modern Art, and Kunsthalle Wien. Visitors can enjoy world-class exhibitions and events, all set within a stunning architectural backdrop that blends historical and modern design. Hofburg. Hofburg Palace in Vienna is a must-see for history and culture enthusiasts. Once the center of the Habsburg monarchy, this grand complex houses several important attractions, including the Imperial Apartments, the CC Museum, the Spanish Riding School, and the Austrian National Library. Visitors can explore opulent rooms, learn about the life of Empress Elizabeth, and experience centuries of royal heritage. Albertina. The Albertina in Vienna is a must-visit for art lovers, offering one of the world's most important graphic art collections. Located in a historic palace, it showcases masterpieces from well-known artists such as Picasso and Monet, along with rotating contemporary exhibitions. The museum also contains a remarkable collection of over 1 million prints and 65,000 drawings, making it a treasure trove for those interested in the finer details of art history. Vienna Opera House. The Vienna State Opera is a must-visit for music and culture enthusiasts. With its stunning architecture and rich history dating back to 1869, it hosts world-class performances of opera, ballet, and orchestral music. Visitors can attend performances by renowned conductors, singers, and dancers, or take a guided tour to explore the magnificent interior, including the opulent marble foyer and elegant hall. St. Stephens Cathedral. St. Stephens Cathedral is a landmark in Vienna, offering a blend of stunning Gothic architecture, rich history, and breathtaking views. Located in the heart of the city, the cathedral is an iconic symbol of Vienna, with its impressive spire rising 136 meters above the skyline. Visitors can explore its intricately designed interior, including the famous Pommern Bell, or climb the tower for panoramic views of the city. St. Peter's Catholic Church. St. Peter's Catholic Church in Vienna is a hidden gem, offering visitors a stunning example of Baroque architecture and a serene atmosphere in the heart of the city. Its ornate interior is a true masterpiece of the 18th century. The church's grand dome, beautiful altarpieces, and peaceful ambience provides a tranquil escape from the bustling city. RathausPlatz. RathausPlatz is a vibrant and historical public square in Vienna centered around the majestic city hall. The square hosts a variety of cultural events throughout the year, including open-air concerts, film festivals, and the famous Christmas market. With its picturesque surroundings, charming cafes, and easy access to nearby attractions, RathausPlatz offers a lively atmosphere for both locals and tourists. UnBserHouse. UnBserHouse in Vienna is a must-visit for those fascinated by unique architecture and artistic expression. Designed by the eccentric Austrian artist Friedrich Unterwasser, this colorful and whimsical apartment complex features vibrant mosaics and a forested rooftop garden. Its playful organic design contrasts sharply with Vienna's more traditional buildings, making it an iconic landmark. St. Charles Church. St. Charles Church in Vienna is a breathtaking Baroque masterpiece and one of the city's most impressive landmarks. Located at the southern edge of the city center, the church features a grand dome and ornate interiors that captivate visitors. Its striking architecture, designed by Johann Bernhard Fischer von Erlach, blends Italian Baroque and Austrian influences, making it a true visual highlight. Belvedere Palace. Belvedere Palace in Vienna is a must-visit destination for art and history lovers. Set within stunning Baroque gardens, this former imperial palace complex houses two museums, the Upper Belvedere, home to an impressive collection of Austrian art, and Lower Belvedere, which showcases temporary exhibitions and the palace's grand historical interiors. Visitors can explore the beautifully landscaped gardens, enjoy panoramic views of the city, and immerse themselves in Austria's rich cultural heritage. Schönbrunn Palace. Schönbrunn Palace is one of Vienna's most iconic landmarks and a must-visit for anyone interested in royal history and stunning architecture. This former imperial summer residence features over 1,400 rooms, beautifully decorated interiors, and vast gardens that include a maze and fountains. Visitors can explore the opulent staterooms, learn about the Habsburg dynasty, and stroll through the meticulously landscaped grounds. Food. While I was in Vienna, I went out to eat once. I went to a local Austrian pub called Centimeter. At the pub, I ordered a dish called typical Austrian noodles with ham. In my opinion, I thought the food was very delicious. I especially loved the melted cheese that they put in the sauce. In total, it cost me 14 euros. Accommodations. I stayed in a 6-bed female dormitory at a hostel called Jugendherberge Wien for one night, and it cost me 28 euros. Overall, I would give this hostel a rating of 9 out of 10. The service was great, the place was clean, and breakfast was included. The breakfast actually turned out better than I thought it would be. They had a diverse spread, and the fruits were fresh. I would say out of all the hostels that I stayed at during my 2-week backpacking trip, this was the best one. Public transportation. Vienna's public transportation system is very advanced. Getting from point A to B is quite easy with a navigation app like Google Maps. Since I was in Vienna for about 24 hours, I bought a 24-hour ticket, which allows you to take any streetcars, buses, subway trains, and commuter trains in the Vienna core zone. The cost of a 24-hour ticket is 8 euros, and they can be bought at any ticket machine inside subway stations or on the Wii mobile app. How much I spent. And this is a breakdown of how much I spent. Nothing on tourist attractions, 14 euros, which is about 20 Canadian on food, 28 euros, which is about 40 Canadian on accommodations, 8 euros, which is about 10 Canadian on public transportation. So in total, I spent 70 Canadian during my 24-hour stay in Vienna. And that's a summary of my 24-hour stay in Vienna. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Also, if you like my content, please show your support by giving this video a like and hitting the subscribe button. See you next time!